Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. I am Nikesh Singh and today I am going to aware you about Bihar Prohibition and Excise Act 2016. In this video, I am going to discuss about the basic provisions of this act. It will going to prove beneficial for the common person. Okay. But at the same time, this is not possible to define whole act exhaustively in a single video. But I will definitely try to cover up all the basics of this act in this video. Let's begin with act which is totally prohibited under this act. Firstly, I started with manufacturing of liquor or manufacturing of bottle. You don't have right to manufacture any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance within the territory of Bihar. You don't have right to even manufacture bottle for the purpose of carrying liquor or for the purpose of carrying any kind of intoxicant within the territory of Bihar. This is now punishable and you will held liable for this offense. Let's come to the second point, that is selling and buying of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance within the territory of Bihar. Yes, you do not have right to sell or purchase any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance. It doesn't matter what the substance is. If you using that substance as subordinate to liquor for the purpose of intoxication, that is more than enough and you will held liable for this offense. Let's come to the next point, that is distribution, transportation of liquor, importation of liquor and exportation of liquor. Yes, all these things are now completely prohibited under this act. You cannot transport, you cannot import or you cannot export any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance. Yes, transportation means in this act, transportation means if any person moving any intoxicant substance from one place to another place. So you don't even carry any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance within the territory of Bihar. Let's jump to the next point, that is consumption of liquor. If you consume any kind of liquor, any kind of alcohol or any kind of intoxicant substance within the territory of Bihar, this is now punishable. It doesn't matter what the substance is. If that substance able to intoxicate a prudent person, then it is more than enough. You will be held liable for this offense. And the punishment of this offense is imprisonment of 5 years, which may extend to 7 years, and also fine of 1 lakh rupees, which may extend to 10 lakh rupees. Okay. Now come to the next point, that is storage of liquor and possession of liquor. Yes, storage and possession are completely prohibited under this act. You cannot store any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant. You cannot possess any kind of liquor or intoxicant. Yes, if you have license from state government, then it's alright, no problem. Okay, I would like to attract your attention in the case of possession. Yes, in the case of possession of liquor, example, if any adult person possess any kind of liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance in his house, then all the major members of his house are held liable for this offense, unless and until they will prove with due care and attention they don't have knowledge about this possession, then they will get released. Otherwise they also will held liable for this offense. Now let's come to the next point, that is cultivation of hemp plant, possession of intoxicant material, possession of intoxicant making utensils. Yes, all these things are now banned in this new law. Now let's first talk about cultivation of hemp plant. Cultivation of hemp plant was also prohibited under old Bihar Excise Act 1915, but possession of intoxicant material or possession of intoxicant making utensils for the purpose of manufacturing liquor or any kind of intoxicant substance, that is now prohibited under this law. Let's come to the point number 7, that is possession of stickers of intoxicant substance. Yes, if any kind of stickers have been found from your possession for the purpose of pasting such stickers on the liquor's bottle or on of any kind of intoxicant substance, then you will be held liable for this offense, unless until you will have to prove that your intention was different. Let's come to the point number 8, that is making intoxicant from harmful substances. Yes, if any person making any kind of liquor or intoxicant substance with the help of harmful substances, and any other person consume that liquor or intoxicant and afterwards he will die, then the manufacturer of the liquor shall be punishable with life imprisonment or capital punishment. He will also liable for fine, maybe of 5 lakh rupees and may extend to 10 lakh rupees. Point number 9, that is drinking and creating nuisance. Yes, if any person drink and create nuisance even in his own house, then he will punish under this act. Or even if any person allowing someone to drink inside his house, then he shall also be liable for punishment under this act. The punishment of this offense is 10 years of imprisonment, which may extend to life imprisonment, and he shall also be liable for fine. Point number 10, that is using of machine, using of animal or using of vehicle. Yes, if your machine, animal or vehicle has been used for the purpose of carrying intoxicant or for the purpose of making intoxicant, it doesn't matter you participating in that manufacturing or you participating in that carrying the intoxicant thing. You shall be held liable for this unless until you prove that you don't have knowledge about this fact, that your machine, animal or vehicle have been used for this purpose. Let's come to the next point, that is about chemist or druggist. Yes, if any chemist or druggist giving you any kind of medicines which is totally completely prohibited by a state government, and then and there you consume that medicine, then the druggist or chemist shall held liable for this offense, and he will be punishable with imprisonment of 8 years, which may extend to 10 years. Let's come to the point number 12, that is removing of liquor from licensed store. Yes, if you are removing any kind of liquor, intoxicant or alcohol from licensed store, then you shall held liable under this act. Here licensed store means any kind of store where they allow to possess intoxicant thing or alcohol, and this license given by state government. And lastly, I would like to inform you that all the offences which comes under this act are non-compoundable. As I said earlier that this is not possible to define this whole act in a single video, but I tried my best. Keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.